Motion Notion is an annual underground electronic dance music and transformational festival located in the Rocky Mountains near Golden, BC, Canada. Started in 2000, it is one of Western Canada's longest-running annual outdoor electronic dance music festivals. Originally a single-night event, the festival has grown to be a four-night event, usually held over a weekend towards the end of July. The event features three festival-sponsored stages: the Temple, Cabana, and Spectrum, and allows for up to 4 independently operated and funded stages. Music. Motion Notion formed its roots in the rave and festival scene with psychedelic trance, techno, house music, drum and bass, down-tempo, dubstep, and breakbeat. List of some of the headlining artists who have performed at Motion Notion: Infected Mushroom, Shungle, The Crystal Method, Amon Tobin, Dirty Phonics, Excision, Musician, Datsik, Musician, Dirty Loud, Noisier, David Tipper, Avalon, Desert Dwellers, Christopher Lawrence, John O.O. Fleming, Headroom, Gaudi, Downlink, Diesel Boy, Lodestar, Kamananda, Liquid Stranger, Future Primitive, Long Walk Short Dock, Stanton Warriors, Govinda, EOTO, Random Rab, Neelix, Subvert, Vibe Squad, Electric Nose, Ajapai, Bluetech, Drum Sound and Bassline Smith, FREQ Nasty, Elite Force, Grouch, Sub-Zero, Hug Life, Marty Party, Martin Horger, DC Breaks, Astral Projection, Egorhythmia, Sonic Species, Broken Toy, Metric, Omunit, Shock One, Oka, Far Too Loud, Black Sun Empire. History. The first Motion Notion was held in a warehouse in Calgary, Alberta, in 2000, partly as a result of the City of Calgary's extended dance bylaw, and a change in direction to host outdoor events rather than indoor. Motion Notion moved out of the city to a rural setting. Subsequent years saw the festival move to various sites around western Alberta, including Nojak, Evansburg and Drayton Valley. Location. The festival is currently located near Golden, BC, in the Rocky Mountains at Beaverfoot Lodge Ranch. It is located approximately 20 kilometers from the Trans-Canada Highway. The location is situated just west of Yoho National Park.